The relationship between mind and body has been established as biochemical and neurological pathways that feed information to and from the brain. It's often said, a healthy mind is in a healthy body. We can tap into our health through mindfulness training. In fact, we can even alter our mood biochemically in a way that is similar to the way drugs work. This connection that exists between mind and body functions on a biopsychosocial level. That means nature and nurture both work in synergy for a holistically healthy lifestyle. However, willpower and mind control can present some obstacles. So in order to succeed, we must learn to tap into our subconscious as a way to guide our mind towards what we want it to do. This skill requires lots of practice and determination. It's from this perspective that we are proud to introduce the unique new powers of Mind, My Skin.